You guys gonna bounce on the trampoline together.
Ready, one.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Tasty trick?
5,
Tasty trick?
Tasty, do a trick?
5, 10.
You gonna do a trick?
Roll.
Tuck and roll. Okay, tuck and roll. Good job.
High five. Oh.
Jump. Jump.
Bounce on your bottom. Another trick.
Oh. Sit up. Hands. Oh, sucked me.
Teasy, try your back handspring. Back.
Do your back. Yeah. Baby, do back. Ready? Sit down.
Good girl.
Yeah. This is turn.
Good try.
Do you want me to help you? Ready? Go like this. Two, and like that.
Yay.
You did it. High five. You did back.
What's your next trick, Teasy?
Next trick. Cartwheel. Try it. Do you want me to show you? Ready? Like this. Did you see it? Alright, Tissy's turn. Try cartwheel. Oh, what's she doing? Slingshot. Whee!
You're funny. Matisse,
Try cartwheel.
Like that.
Like what?
lay down.
Oh, lay down. Are you tired?
No, like that. Move.
Oh, that's the clouds.
Go.
Girl's looking at the sky.
Fire.
Huh?
Fire. No.
Matisse, can you do the trick where you climb Phoebe and then flip? Show, Phoebe, show you. Hold Phoebe's hands.
Both hands.
Climb.
Fine. I used to do that.
Whee!
Didn't I?
Yeah.
My kid.
Casey, try the cartwheel.
Hello?
Yeah. Hands on ground, like this. And then go.
Let's do it.
Oh, do it. You want to do backwards, or? Here, sit down. No, sit here. In the middle.
No.
Yeah. Ready, sit. Sit. Hands by your ears.
Not in your ear, silly.
Like that.
Like that.
Yeah, by your ears. See?
Bye.
And roll.
Yay!
High five. High five.
Teasy,
Now
say
high five.
bye-bye pictures.
Bye.